Well, it seems like after every big event, with every stage of building, there's also a big cleanup. So today that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna clean up the job site and just try to make it look good. Now we're done with the cleanup. Let's go clean off more of that rock.
Is that rock? Wow. Still discovering more rock.
Jana's a daredevil, and she wants to see
Evan's view and take a picture.
you want to see what it's going to look like from the guest house. What does it look like?
Looks cool.
Here, let me hand you this and you can...
Front columns. And the view of the creek and the guest house living area. And that is the main house.
Well, it's been a good day. It's still messy. Not near as pretty as it was, just because we pretty much destroyed the road with all the traffic. The gravel needs to be replaced. So we'll be doing that before too long. We did expose more of the big boulder, which was kind of cool.
So the waterproofs are getting started.
And then you spray on top of it.
So I'm going to take you around and see what we've done for waterproofing today. The guys just left, and in about an hour, the electric company's coming in to finish up some work. So let me turn this camera around. It's looking good. We had them stop at this line here at the top because this part's going to be exposed. And we want it looking as nice as possible. Here's the retaining wall. You can see it's so dark. And then the main house is the garage. Let's take a look at what they did over here. And the waterproofing on the garage. So all this will be backfilled, but up to the line of that waterproofing. So they're done. That took about maybe an hour to get done. One try to get up this muddy hill. We've got Georgia Power coming in to dig some line from the electrical and put in the transformer box. So that's what we're doing today. I better get out of the way. And here's what Georgia Power's dropped off. Excavator, of course. Looks like here's some coil. And the base for the transformer. And some more supplies. So they're going to trench out today and set the transformer. I'll be back soon. Beautiful trench. So this is the trench for the electrical, and so far they haven't hit any rock, unlike on the other side of the road where we hit nothing but rock.
Jerry on the trench crew are pretty cool, but these guys on the pole crew, they weren't anywhere near as cool as he was. They just stood around most of the time. Made my wife feel uncomfortable. Anyway, there wasn't a lot of footage here, but glad this crew's off the site. Well, at least there's some good news. There's absolutely no rain in sight. Well, good morning, guys. So Mother Nature gave us a black eye yesterday while Jana was out managing all the waterproofing and everything. We had a rainstorm. Well, that rainstorm damaged the waterproofing. It caused it to streak and kind of wash off, and unfortunately you need a cure time on that waterproofing before it can get wet, and we didn't have that. So these guys at H2O Proof, they really jumped all over it, you know. They're headed back there. well, they're coming out right now actually to repair it, and really happy with them. That says a lot about that company. So as you can see, it's very streaked. It looks very splotchy. Looks like I don't know, somebody threw a cup of coffee on the wall. That doesn't look like it's going to keep any moisture out to me. So like I said, these guys, they're coming out to take a look at things and to repair what we can do. We got a couple places that are okay, but looks like the whole wall is going to need to be redone. It's the same way. Same exact way on the garage. It's okay, we'll get it fixed. These guys are good. Well, they were going to waterproof today, but unfortunately it started to rain again. So in the process of the guys backing out, they've gotten stuck. So I'm going to go grab a chain and take this skid steer and get them out. Alright, here we go. Hope these guys get out. Go, go, go! There they go. Another good reason to have a skid steer on hand when you're in a mud hole. So since the last couple of episodes, you've seen a lot of work come down this road. I'm going to show you a before and after so you can see the condition of the road now. Unfortunately, it is destroyed and it will get better. It's we had to get utilities in, a lot of traffic back and forth. With all the rain, it has created a tremendous mudslide. So let me show you this. Well guys, it starts looking okay, but it's more like this. We're not supposed to get any rain tomorrow, so fingers crossed we'll be waterproofing.